making improvements to a house that you are renting is a big mistake, especially if you have an option to buy, for the simple reason you don't own it. Now, I'm not talking about the repair clause in your lease agreement where tenant will make small repairs up to X amount of dollars. What I'm talking about is taking your money and making improvements in the house so that it is exactly the way that you want it. It's kind of like your friend has a vintage car that they'd like to restore, and you pay for all the parts and all the labor. It's a nice thing to do, but what are you going to get out of it? Instead, I suggest save that money toward the down payment of your new home. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.